This is one of the biggest snow we had in a long time. The parking space. This is where he needs to plow. I moved my car over there. So right here is where he needs to plow. I don't really need to move this car. Yeah. Let's go inside and warm up a bit. Alhamdulillah for being able to have a warm place to come back into. Alhamdulillah for that. So what we're gonna be doing is taking all this clothes off. This is mine, but this is not mine. I left my gloves on top of this radiator heat. They keep it warm for me, so that when it's time to go out, I just grab them. I'm gonna take my runny nose upstairs and wash up. That's how cold it is. It's supposed to feel like -6 or so. And it does, trust me, it does. The little time I stayed there, thankfully I had those gloves, but my hands were still freezing, so I can't imagine without gloves or anything. Mr. Plow guy is back, so we gotta go and move the car and stuff. It's still snowing, that's crazy. This is our plow guys, plow thing right there. Later, inshallah, we're gonna be using this car to pick up my brother who's coming back from Kenya. So I'll have to empty the stuff that's in the trunk, and yeah, we'll see. That's the plan. But for now, I'm gonna go back in, warm up, and relax for a bit. You can barely see me, it's that dark. I'm driving, so I can't really turn on the light. But anyways, we got a little bit of snow, to say the least. The road is so clear because everybody's asleep. I am currently heading to pick up my brother from the bus station because he is coming back from Kenya. The bus picked him up from Boston to here, so we are in the middle of a huge snowstorm. Right now it's actually not that bad. As you can see, there's snow everywhere, like a lot of snow. So yeah, fun times indeed. So yeah, that's what's happening. There's literally nobody on the highway. I'm going 40, 45. This used to be 70 miles per hour road, but they turned it into a 60, but I'm not even hitting 50. It's just not worth for me to go that fast. So I'm gonna take my slow time and make it there safe. I mean, it's not my first time driving on this type of condition, but it's just not worth for me to get into an accident or do dumb stuff and go off the road and stuff like that. That's a lot to protect me from such a thing. But yeah, I'm gonna take my sweet time. If I'm gonna be lazy, I mean not lazy. If I'm gonna be late to him, so be it. I'd rather get there safe than not. So that's what's happening. But there's barely any car on the road.
Got nowhere, 'cause I was naive while I was too scared. So when I lit a fire, I run to the flames. Here I seek you, wherever you are, undivided, the only one. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are.
I got off the highway. Now I am going to be going through the streets, which are the worst part. The highway is somewhat maintained, but these streets out here are not that well maintained. So my car is like doing its best to make sure it stays straight and not like do donuts basically. But Alhamdulillah, I have four-wheel drive, like all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, whatever. So it does really well on any kind of road. So it's doing pretty good. Well, I don't know if you guys can see the text message, but he said 11:25, which is like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go around and go back to the main parking lot space and park there. Alright, I got his stuff, his luggage and stuff is in the car, in the trunk. He's in there just paying off the ticket and stuff, and then we're gonna drive home, and then that's the end of it. I just dropped off my brother at his house. Now I'm heading to my place to get some sleep, to get some rest, inshallah. As you can see, snow everywhere. It's almost 1 a.m., 1 in the morning. And I'm so tired. Alhamdulillah that is home safe. Alhamdulillah that I made it back home safe myself too. So we say Alhamdulillah. Look at the traffic on the other lane. This road that I'm going on right now is supposed to be 2-lane, but I don't even know where the 2 lanes are. I need to get on this one because I think a lot of people have been going on this lane, and you can see the tracks cleared of the snow. So this is how it looks the day after the snow. Wow. What? I go on this road for work almost every day, and I've never seen this many cars lined up. Like, never. Never. What is going on? Oh, I know why. There's a school nearby that also got delayed, so all the parents who used to drop off their kids early and all that stuff, they all have to drop the kids off at the same time. So that's probably why. Look at this. That is crazy to say the least.
I'm grateful to be here. I'm grateful to be alive. And by God, I'm grateful to be living.
I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And I'm out. Peace out. I love you all for the sake of Allah.
عليك وسلم المولى محمد.
I look up to the best of the men, and I'm working on the test to the end, by following the message he sent, and try turning these lessons into action. And oh, I pray for the day that I see you in my dreams. Rahmatul lil Alameen, for all humanity.